We'll demonstrate buttonhole wheel stitch. First, come up from large circle. Take down at center point. Don't pull thread tight. Leave some thread on fabric. You can hold it down with finger to prevent it from moving. Come up above center point. Note, needle must go through loop. This way it catches it, forming a buttonhole. Let me demonstrate again. Take needle down at center point. Same way, don't pull tight. Come up 1 stitch distance above. Needle must come through loop, forming a buttonhole state. Continue taking down. Also, let needle come through loop, creating interlocking state. Continue back to center point. This is a simple operation, pattern that presents neatly. Perfect for beginners to try. When stitching, keep stitches even. Each time come up on outer circle, if coming up not on this line, but somewhere else. It won't form circular shape. When stitching, according to pattern shape, adjust stitch spacing and distance between stitches. Come up 1 stitch distance ahead. Don't span too far, otherwise the effect won't look attractive. Buttonhole wheel stitch. Perfect for stitching pattern decorations. Can achieve great effects. Final stitch. Place needle outside first stitch line segment. About middle position, take down. This forms a connected ring state. Can use needle to adjust shape. Let's see the finished effect.